Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD after a couple of weeks. In this video, I will show you how to insert drop cap in MS Word 19. What is drop cap? A drop cap is a large capital letter used as a decorative element at the beginning of a paragraph or section. Why drop cap is used? A drop cap is used actually to signify the reader that they moved into a new section or a new chapter has begun. Okay, there are two types of drop cap. One is dropped, that is placed inside the paragraph, and another one is in margin, that is placed outside the paragraph and that is aligned inside the margin. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology and now MS Word series is going on. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, there are two types of drop cap. One is dropped, that is placed inside the paragraph. Okay, another one is in margin, that is placed outside the paragraph and it aligned inside the margin. Okay, now we will see the first one. Select the first letter of your paragraph, then go to insert. From here, add a drop cap. From here, dropped. See, a drop cap has been inserted, and in this case the depth of this drop cap is 3 lines. Okay, you can change the depth. For changing the depth, select the drop cap. From here, click on this drop down menu, then drop cap options. See, position dropped is selected. Font Times New Roman, same font like paragraph. Lines to drop, currently or by default 3 is selected. You can increase from here. I'm taking 5, and distance from text 0 inch. That means distance between this drop cap and this paragraph is 0 inch. You can increase the distance, but I'm keeping as it is. You can increase the distance from here, but I'm keeping as it is. Okay, then if I click on OK, see how it looks. Now at this moment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 lines have been occupied by this drop cap. Okay, maybe the previous one was better, so I will change it. Select the drop cap. From here, drop cap options, and I will decrease by 2 and click on OK. So this was the dropped type drop cap. Okay, now we will see in margin. So again, select the drop cap. From here, add a drop cap. Then if I select in margin, see, now at this moment this drop cap has been placed outside the paragraph and it is aligned inside the margin. Okay, now at this moment this drop cap has taken 3 lines. You can change it from at the same way. Okay, drop cap options, lines to drop 3. If I increase 5, and distance from text, if I now at this moment if I increase by 0.2 inch, then click on OK. See how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 lines have been occupied, and the distance between this drop cap and this paragraph is 0.2 inch. Okay, if you want to remove the drop cap, then what you have to do, just select the drop cap from here, then add a drop cap and select none. See, there is no drop cap. Okay, so again, if you want to add a drop cap, just select the first letter of your paragraph or chapter, then from here dropped. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Hopefully you have understood what is drop cap, why drop cap is used, and how to insert a drop cap. If you have any query, just comment in the comment section. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.